Hello, we are doing another Freak of Nature. I am a new host. My name is Keegan Moore, and we are Hypothyreopia.
He's a hypothyreopian. He has hypothyreopia.
He cannot speak right. We have a translator here. He translated for our other person, Jabawaba, if you remember that guy.
So he looked exactly like you.
He was I'm a little bit more, if you know what I mean. Okay, so...
Yes, you are.
Thank you. Okay, so, first we'll start off, what's your name?
Bob Marley.
Really? Are you a fan of Bob Marley? You know who he is?
Yes, he knows who Bob Marley is. He's his grandson.
Really?
Yes.
Are you what kind of gender are you awaking to live your life with?
Mountain Dew bottles.
Really? I think that means girls or guys.
No, Mountain Dew bottles.
Yeah.
He likes to play with spoons on his knee and make music.
Really? So, is there anything? I heard that people that have hypothyreopia are very creative and fun.
No, they're dull and boring people. On the inside.
But the outside, the skin. I heard that you were every once in a while, if you were really diagnosed with this disease, you start growing trees out of your fingernails. Is that true? And you also grow trees out of some other areas that we do not want to speak of on this interview.
Yes, he likes to believe so.
And is it true that you poop out or inject some leaves out of your opening instead of solid waste? Yes, your butt.
Yeah,
He poops.
Yes, his food is
Is this disease rare?
very rare.
And it sees that if you have hypothyreopia, you are skinny. Is that true?
Yes, very skinny.
Oh, skinny. Okay, don't worry, I didn't see anything. I saw your belly. Don't worry about it. I heard they don't like showing their body at all. Anything under the, if nothing over the limited areas.
No.
Nothing. Well,
their face and their arms and their
are we
torso.
gonna end this up soon, or would you like some more answers? Okay, yeah, you're trying to, what was that?
I think he's attracted to you.
Is he saying hi? You gave me your love?
That's a no.
Guys, I think we're gonna end this short today. Yeah. Okay.